Welcome to Ngobo Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Eitada. This is Ngobo Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Amazulu 2 Betway Premiership. How was it?
I'm good yourself. I'm good.
Good, thanks, man. Yeah, your take on the game tonight?
It was a very entertaining game. We missed a lot of chances. But I feel there were some technical changes now, coach, as see by the second.
Okay.
Martin Ox.
Yeah.
A combination of a 7-0. I guess it's 7-0 foot. That we need to know. Do you know what?
Yeah.
Mart is a very hard worker, according to him. So he plays all positions. According to Udlala E8, young Todd. First half, I think substitution got Shabalala. They were not supposed to bring in Ox. We had Trell in the middle as a 6.
Yeah.
We had Mart. Bese ngampusha simisegu 8.
Exactly.
Ngaba fake uSerino or wafaka uVilakazi as in number 10. Sapusha saya phambili, young Todd. But now Mario pile up in middle field yakho. Ufagu Mart, ufagu Trell, ufagu Ox, ufagu Zwane.
Exactly.
I feel like you are giving them room ukuthi ban attack.
Exactly.
Nishi gap laphayana and besingabola ukuthi yenzani. Another thing, we need to bury our chances, guys. Let's bury our chances. Yes, sifuna ukuboost confidence yama player, abo ranga, abo bantu. But now there's a formation esidlalayo ayisebenzeli nayo 4-5-1 ayisebenzi. We need to go back to our original 4-4-2. Sicabe ukuthi when one striker is falling behind, there's another one in the box.
Exactly.
Our players lack confidence, so you can't expect them to have umsebenzi wonke. Umsebenzi wonke. Ranga ama-fans yamstress already. Uzofuna ukuthi amako abantu abayi-3 atrepe, athene, ashute.
Big time.
He's very poor when it comes to turning and shooting. He's a lone striker. Then kunalento lesidlalayo futhi angazi ukuthi why maskorile we fall back.
Always.
Always fall back, and it's killing us. But I need to give props kumuntu oscoute uLilepo. I've been a fan yakacele from Kudala. I'm very glad we finally found him. Maurice, I'm happy ngaye futhi uyabonakala ukuthi there's unalasi yakhona.
Shower fitness
kuphela. So game time futhi angazi why uVilakazi sebamncinci game time. Bekadlala uVilakazi from bekadlala. He was our goal scorer, he was our umuntu osassistayo ngama goal. But for the past 3 games bamncinci ama minutes, yes. Serino, we know Begana flop with the team and all. But Serino. His experience counts. His football knowledge counts now. So Ubonile Marangen, change game. So I think coach Melaye good drawing board. I don't know change his scheme sakhe.
Cool, exactly.
He must stop rotating players. Ditlhokwe played the man of the match game against Pirates. I was expecting to see him lapaya. Ubonile ukuthi Ukross, he was failing.
Big time.
Modi was not assisting him. So you must react fast with it. I mean, Udi Klokwe uvale unkotha.
Big time.
So why umqalise benchini namhlanje? It was useless umqalise benchini. So I think amayama decision angafeel under pressure akadlala ibhola esidlalayo. Ngoba manje we are playing, to be honest. We are playing. Cele's presence lapha emidleleni. He does wonders, I'm told. But now he needs to stop ukuthi player, but Ox and Mart, they can't play together, guys. They don't understand each other. So but overall it was a game of 2 halves. We could have buried the game first half. But we couldn't convert our chances. I mean, Smith over 10 chances today, and the finished chances. Yes, they keep on saying they work on finishing, they work on finishing. Finishing. It defends. Umuntu osebenza nge-defense, we kind of safe. Umuntu osebenza ukadze lapha emidleleni siyambona naye ukuthi khona into ayenza. But they need to work with our strikers. I'm not happy with our strikers.
Thank you so much.